Today's English lesson is shopping for vegetables. Objective: to learn the names of popular vegetables and how to use them in a simple conversation. Popular vegetables. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Cucumbers, cucumbers, cucumbers. Onions, onions, onions. Peppers, peppers, peppers. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Spinach, spinach, spinach. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Dialogue: shopping for vegetables. Excuse me, can you help me find the vegetables?
Sure. What vegetables are you looking for?
I need carrots, potatoes, and tomatoes.
The carrots and potatoes are over here. The tomatoes are next to them.
Great, thank you. I also need lettuce, cabbage, and cucumbers.
The lettuce is on the top shelf. The cucumbers are right below it.
Thank you. Where can I find onions and green bell peppers?
The onions and peppers are in the next aisle.
Thank you very much. Do you have broccoli and spinach?
Yes, the broccoli and spinach are at the end of this aisle.
Perfect. I have everything I need now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Summary. In this lesson, you learned the names of popular vegetables and how to ask for them at the grocery store. Practice this dialogue with a friend to improve your English speaking skills.